let's look for addition first, addition and subtraction. How we can express addition and subtraction of what? SURDs. So how can we do this? Assuming we have x SURD A plus y SURD A, x plus a plus y SURD A. You can see that the SURDs here, they are the same. That's SURD A, SURD A. So we can add their what? Their coefficient. Their coefficient here, x plus y. Then we have what? SURD A. We have SURD A. So same thing can be done for subtraction. X SURD A minus y SURD A. So we have x minus y SURD A. That's that for subtraction. Yes, that's for subtraction. But note, we cannot add different SURDs. For example, you cannot say x SURD A plus y SURD A and SURD B, sorry, different SURDs. This is SURD A and this is SURD B. Note that A and B are not the same, so they cannot be added. A is not equal to what? B, so this cannot be added. Same thing to subtraction. A and B are not the same, so cannot be what? Subtracted. So for multiplication and division of SURDs, so we have x SURD A times y SURD A, sorry. Let's do SURD B. For multiplication, x SURD A times y SURD B. So we have this x SURD A. So the coefficient will multiply themselves. That will be x y, then SURD A B. This is how we can express that. SURD A B. So that means SURD A times SURD B is equal to SURD A B. That's for multiplication. Same thing goes to division. We have x SURD A over y SURD B. So this is equal to this over what? A over B. So that's for division, x over y SURD A over B. That's for division. So another thing that we need to know is what we call conjugate. Conjugate of what? Of SURDs. Conjugate of SURDs helps in what? Rationalizing the SURD. So assuming we have SURD A, conjugate of SURD A will be what? SURD A. So SURD A times SURD A will change it what? The SURD to what? Rational number. So just like saying A raised to the power 1 over 2 times A raised to the power 1 over 2. This is equal to A raised to the power 1 over 2 what? Plus 1 over 2. These indices. So in this case, you can see this is equals to what? A raised to the power A raised to the power what? 2 over 2, which is A raised to the power 1. And here it will give us what? A. Hope you understand. So another conjugate is when we have conjugate of A, x plus SURD y. Let me use A, x plus SURD A. The conjugate of this will be what? X minus SURD x minus SURD a. You can see the difference here. X plus SURD a. The thing that can rationalize it, the conjugate of x plus SURD a is x minus SURD a. Right, the same thing, the conjugate of x minus SURD a is x plus SURD a. So when you happen to see any thing like this, this is how to you use the negative form of the first one, the positive one, to do what? To rationalize it. So this now will give us x times x will be what? X squared. X squared. Now plus that minus is what? Minus. Square root SURD a times SURD a is what? A. Is what it will give us. That's the way to rationalize what? SURDs. So I will take an example for us to rationalize SURDs. So let's take very simple equation. Let's take very simple equation. So we are asked to rationalize this very SURD. Rationalize 2 over 5 SURD 2. 2 over 5 SURD 2. Sorry, let's manage the board. So here, the conjugate of SURD 2 is what? SURD 2, according to this. So we have 2 over 5 SURD 2, use it to multiply, SURD 2, SURD 2. So at this point, 2 times what? 2 times SURD 2, we have SURD 2. So here it will be 5. SURD 2 times SURD 2 is 2. So we now have 2 SURD 2 over 10. So finally, we have what? These cancel 1, cancel here 5. We have 1 over 5 SURD 2 as our answer. So that is that for today. I believe we all understand what we've done today. If you don't understand, drop your question at the comment section, and please try to subscribe if you've not subscribed to our channel. Share it to your friends and family. We have all the solutions to all the topics that is giving you problem. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching Master.